Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today we are on Medicine Bow Drive in Modesto. And this year we're trying to roll out a few more on-site after tours, and this is a perfect kitchen in which to do that. So a couple things you're going to notice in general about this project is it went from the 1970s smaller kitchen with kind of some yellow lighting and really dark colors. And you can see I'm standing in a really beautiful, more modernly toned, really bright kitchen, and I just love the way this project turned out. So what I'd like to do today is point out some key elements of this project that I think you'll enjoy learning about. So just here to my right, you'll see something that's pretty simple but really important. This microwave before the project started did not have a home. In fact, it was sitting over here on a countertop, if you will, a rack system. And so now we have a built-in wall microwave for this customer, gets it off the countertop and gets it into a really good home. As we position this way, a couple things I want to point out. Number one, these are the original cabinets for the project, other than something I'm going to point out that was an addition over here in just a minute. But these are the original 1970s cabinets with a new modified shaker face, and the whole cabinet system is painted in a really warm gray color. It's called Kellymore Not My Fault, kind of an unusual name, but just love the way that this cabinet color plays off this next element. And this next element is this backsplash. This is probably one of the most ornate, beautiful backsplashes we've done in a couple years. And I just really love the way the taupes of this tile play off the taupes of this quartz countertop, as well as the gray outline of this same tile just plays really well with the Not My Fault paint color up here on the cabinets. Of course, we did new brushed stainless bar pulls, a really popular cabinet pull style. And as I come back here, it really works well as we incorporated a Blanco metallic gray sill granite sink, and then the Kohler Simplice faucet, which once again, same finish as your hardware. Pretty common design decisions to make those things come together. As we move this way, you're going to notice, as you look at the before and afters, you're going to notice that, hey, this section of cabinetry did not exist before. This was literally just an opening on the wall. The customer had a racking system there before. And so what we did is we fabricated some new upper cabinets and then a new lower unit with obviously a bank of 4 drawers. And it just adds more space, probably increased the storage of this kitchen by about 10 to 15%. And so it was useless space before, and now it's some great storage for this particular customer. Now as we move over here to the cooking zone, you'll see that we have a gas range system here with an oven below. And one thing to point out is a spice rack. This was an add-on to this project, and obviously having the spices in close proximity to your cooking area makes a lot of sense, as it's super convenient. Obviously we have a hood over here to help exhaust from the cooking area, and then as we kind of spin around, let me cross the camera here, as we spin around, you'll notice in the before pictures that this was a pop-up area with a bar top, and so what happened here is the pop-up was removed. The countertop was extended to create bar seating along here, and there's actually some bar seats under here that you can't see because they don't have a back to them. And it just creates, once again, a really more useful space, a spot where you can lay out the buffet when you have people over. It's really good for hospitality type situations, and once again, just a really nice design decision to take that tiered bar top away. So this is Kitchen Crate Medicine Bow Drive in Modesto. It's been a pleasure showing you this project. Just love the way it turned out, and I think that you probably do too. I sure hope so. More information on this project or others, kbcrate.com, or give us a call, 888-995-7996. Thanks so much.